My name is Samah Mezher. I'm an O&M coordinator responsible for photovoltaic assets exceeding 200 megawatt across Greece and abroad. Our company, Survey Digital Photovoltaic, focuses on technical management, operations, maintenance, performance supervision through regional field teams, and centralized monitoring platform. I'll be talking about the Rising Energy 600 BNDW PV modules. Those modules are a 600 watt type bifacial module used in a large commercial and industrial PV plants. From an operation and maintenance standpoint, they gave us high voltage module and they reduce string and module count. This simplifies inspections and testings and give us a long-term maintenance activities. First impressions is that it's a large format and a high power module that require disciplined installation practices. We need handling and clamping accuracy, and this is very critical because mechanical stress during installation can lead to hiding defects that appear later in monitoring data. These rising modules have a smooth performance trends, predictable degradation in monitoring platforms. From a mechanical view, they perform very well under environmental stress, especially when they are properly mounted. And this helps us reduce unexpected O&M interventions. In terms of reliability, we have a good reliability when installation standards are respected. So we have low unexpected fault patterns and we consistent string behavior across each season we have. The main strengths are high power per modules, in which means stable long-term degradation behavior, and this reduced connection complexity. We have a lower fault exposure and a simplified life cycle maintenance, and in which it's very important to us because we maintained all our PV plants for several years. I will talk from my viewpoint as an O&M specialist. Yes, the difference are mainly seen in degradation trends. We have a lower field failure rates and a very good guarantee response. This model, the Ryzen model, performs competitively in long-term operational behavior. I think the main weaknesses are practical and not technical view, because the large size and the weight increase handling sensitivity and require strict mounting discipline. And because those Ryzen PV models are bifacial, again, they depend on the site conditions and must be evaluated through monitoring all time. Well, I cannot say that they are not expensive, but for us, pricing, it's not the main view we are looking for, because as already said, from our O&M life cycle perspective, the value comes from predictable performance and a reduced long-term risk rather than lower upfront costs. I can say that the most hidden costs can be from pure logistics maybe, or installation quality that later create some faults that we need to look for. But with proper EPC standard and O&M standard recurring cost impact, the cost impact remains very low for us. My score for installation and usability, 4 from 5. Performance and reliability, 4.5. Build quality and durability, 4 from 5. Value for money, 3.5. My score for overall satisfaction, 4.5. So if it was not the Rising PV model, from our O&M perspective, we can choose UpSolar 660 watt bifacial module series. These models offer a similar high voltage class and advanced cell technology with a strong focus on low degradation and long-term performance.